The question I start with Dr. Jill, our favorite vet in Orangevale. How common is cancer in pets? It's not top of mind for me.
You know, it's very common. Unfortunately, 50% of older pets actually die of cancer, and 1 out of every 4 pets have some form of cancer in their older years.
You know, I mean, it's still a mystery in humans as well, Jill. What is it that causes cancer? And I know we have identified a number of carcinogens, but is there a simple answer to that when we're talking about our pets?
Well, it's complicated, unfortunately. You know, look at Brinkley here before I forget. See, he's got a tumor on his elbow here. He's about 15, but, you know, we're nursing him along. There's some great products out there. And, you know, what causes it, Paul, exactly? We don't really know, but I think we have some speculation, just like in people. Obesity, believe it or not, can predispose your pet to cancer, as well as food, some of the additives in food, so make sure you feed a great diet. You know, I'm always an advocate of that. And also, you know, fresh air, exercise will prevent it just like it does in people. But harsh chemicals, home chemicals, things of that nature, genetics, there's a lot of reasons why pets get cancer.
And so what advice do you have for folks who are dealing with a pet that has cancer or who have suspicions that maybe their loved little 4-legged family member is living with cancer?
You know, really important, have your pet checked every 6 months after the age of 7. If you see a little lump or bump, especially if it's dark, have it checked out by your veterinarian. Even if it's just a little fatty tumor, those fatty tumors can actually change and become cancerous. So you want to make sure to have your veterinarian check your pet out, have them document the size and where they're actually at, and make a chart for yourself. You know, monitor them. You can measure them, keep records as well. Before I forget, too, I want to make mention, a lot of companies now are making some fantastic herbals, all-natural supplements for people whose animals have cancer. You need to check with your oncology veterinarian or your regular general practitioner or integrative veterinarian. There's one called OncoSupport. This is a fantastic product. This is a new one called Reversitrol. This actually reverses aging. It's coming out for people too, Paul. And it's fantastic.
Hey, why'd you single me out for that one?
Well, you know, I'm just saying, it's fantastic. It's fantastic to reverse some aging effects as well.
And Dr. Jill, before we run, people might not know you can actually get sunscreen for your pets, especially for their noses, if they've got some white spots like my little dog Charlie.
Right. Sunscreen's really important. People don't realize pets get skin cancer. I've developed a product line of sunblock with an insect repellent for mosquitoes. It's all natural.
Way to go.
There are other ones out on the market, and I'll tell you what, it's fantastic. It prevents a lot of skin cancers, keeps your little pink noses clear and free of tumors and sunburn.
All right, I'm afraid we're out of time, but we'll chase some people your way. Dr. Jill, it's always fun to talk to you. Thank you for the good information. If you want to schedule an appointment with Dr. Jill, you know, she's mobile. She can come to you, too, if you need her to. Check out her website, drjill with a Y, JYL.com, or just give her a call. The number is right there on your screen. It's 8:42, and coming up,